Good morning students. Let us continue the topic biodiversity. I am Ranjani, JL in Zoology, working at Chitkul, Sangareddy district. What we have learnt in the previous topic, that is different levels of biodiversity. What are the different levels of biodiversity? Look here, genetic diversity, species diversity, ecological diversity. These are the three levels of biodiversity. Let us see one by one. First one is genetic diversity. What is genetic diversity? It is the diversity in the genes of a species. A species may have different genes giving different appearances. All of you know what are genes. Genes give us the characteristics. They are the things which are passing characteristics from one generation to another generation. Look at the picture. There are 50,000 different varieties of rice in India. We know only one or two types of rice like Basmati, Sona Masuri and all this. But there are 50,000 different varieties of rice in India. And there are 1,000 different mango varieties. That means mangoes are also in different varieties. So we see genetic diversity. Why there are different types of mangoes? All the mangoes are same, but there are differences in their characteristics because of the genes are different. That is called as genetic diversity. And the next one is this plant which is seen in Himalayan ranges in India. The name of the plant is Rauwolfia vomitoria. It is a medicinal plant which is used for snake bite and also to cure high blood pressure. This plant excretes alkaloid which is called reserpine. So what is alkaloid, students? Alkaloid, you have studied about excretory products in plants in previous classes. What is alkaloid? It is a nitrogenous waste substance which is produced in plants and stored. Resins, gums, all these are the waste material. So one of the substance which is produced as waste material, reserpine, is used as medicine to cure high blood pressure and also for treating snake bite. What is the name of this plant? It is Rauwolfia vomitoria. What is the name? Rauwolfia vomitoria. It is the medicinal plant which is found in Himalayan ranges. So this plant is found in different ways, different varieties are there. So why there are different varieties, how there are the different varieties is the reserpine alkaloid is different in concentration and potency in different species or in different varieties of the same plant. That means the concentration of alkaloid is different in different plants. What is the reason? It is because of the genes which are present in them. So it is a good example for genetic diversity. Genes are different, so there is diversity which is called as genetic diversity. And again another one is there,